Hi! In front of me is Honor 7X, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find calendar and click on it. Then pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on new event at the bottom left corner. Over here you can customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title, choose location, pick starting or ending hour, tap on more, and adjust those options as well. For example, set up a reminder. When you're ready, save your event by clicking at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can edit it by clicking on it, choosing edit by tapping on this little pen icon, making your changes and clicking on top right corner one more time. If you wish to delete your event though, you need to click on it again, but this time select delete icon here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!